Hey friends! So I decided to cut my daughter's hair just to trim it down a bit. I noticed the hair stopped growing for a very long time. So yeah, it was so sad. I was sad, but at the same time I was okay. So I just decided to trim down. In fact, not even trimming it down. I I wanted to even go on plate. But no, I said no. Let me just bring it low down. So here is I've because that was on yesterday was on Sunday. I made her hair. So we went to church after service. On Monday morning, I decided I've already made up my mind to trim down the hair. Yeah, I've already made up my mind because you see this hair, no matter the amount of what I have put on the product I have used on this hair, the thing she's just having a hair loss. I don't know what is causing the hair loss. I don't know, maybe it's too much of tight braid or I can't say what could have been the issue of her hair loss. So I just wake up one day. I said, I can't continue anymore because I have been buying products, both the ones I'm doing by myself, the DIYs, the ones I buy from the local shop or local stores. So, but yeah, I think I feel good now because cutting down this hair, I feel so good because I know for sure, just give it 1 month, the hair will be full back. It will be fuller. Yeah, I just want because when she turned 1, I didn't cut down the hair. So now she will be 2 by next month, 2 years. So I said, let me just try something new and see how it goes. Let me just start all over again because I know that cutting down this hair, I won't regret it. So the hair will grow properly like normal. No, some people's hair, some people because her hair now, she already have a hair loss. Some parts are natural hair, while some part at the middle of her hair is this baby hair, that she was born with. Because when she was born, she has a full hair. So here, yeah, this thing is rosemary water. Yeah, I did this rosemary water. So please, if you haven't watched how I made rosemary water for hair growth, try and check it out. Yeah, you will like it. You will be impressed. You will be happy that you did and you tried it. If you're having a hair loss, breakage on your hair, just try this DIY at home. Just try this DIY and thank me later. Yeah. So I'm still going to trim it down because I'm still trimming it down. I just want the hair to go low, like very low. Yeah. This is how it looks. Turns out this is the next day after washing it. I've washed her hair. She just took a bath. So this is the next day. So I have just this rosemary water. Just massage it. See this hair that you see like this? Yeah, this hair within 1 month it will go back to normal. It will be fuller and stronger and healthier. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.